Guys, welcome to my channel again, and in today's video we are going to explore a word. So right now there are most engaged niche. Everybody want to start the niche that are engaging. The more engaged on the video, the more the video will go viral. You can see the video of Mr. Beast that are having 200 million views. It's because people are commenting, it's because people are liking, it's because people are sharing, it's because people are remixing the video. That is why you see the video is keep going viral. And in today's video we are going to talk about almost 7 niche that are currently the most engaged niche, that if you pick one of them and start creating content on them consistently, you are bound to success on any social media that you are using. Okay, because people like to be commenting on such video, research has shown that most of this niche are video that people are actually commenting on very well. So without wasting our time, let's get right into the video. And the number one on my list right now that I will tell you that people are actually commenting, people are liking, people are share to their friends and family is called self-improvement and their life transformation. Okay, this one is a video where we teach people about self-improvement and the life transformation, what you are going through, the life lesson and everything. So another one is called motivational video. So this motivational video now is you have may see people that are going through depression, that are going through pain, these people that want to back up, people that want to lose. Most of those videos like that, you see people that create video on uplifting, on inspiration, a video that will inspire you, that will motivate you. Okay, so another one we call emotional video. This can be romantic and every other emotional video. And another one we have is health and wellness. This one we create a video about health, how to have a good health, and how to things that we need to know in order to get the food, the right food, the right cook, everything. You teach people how to do it. And number 5 on our list is called discipline and habit building. This is where you teach people how to discipline themselves and how to build a successful habit that can shape their life in a positive way. And another one we have here is cooking and comedy. This one is about how you teach people how you cook your own diet food, or the food that you know how to cook. And another one is comedy skits, which one you create content that will make people laugh, like Sabinos, like Makijen, and all those bring daughter, all those top content creators. So you will be creating content on how to do that one. And lastly, we have a life lesson video. This is where you teach people on what you have learned in life, and how this can video that impact people life, what you have learned in life, and how that can become a blessing to them. And here we are on our final video. So if you are watching the video now, thank you so much. I created this video purposely because of my community, that I promise that I'm going to show them every single thing they need to know in online space. So you have watched the video now. I believe you enjoyed the video. Kindly like, comment and subscribe. And without wasting our time, I will see you in my next video.